Hi everyone, welcome to Kimber Creations. It's me, Kim, and I'm here really quick to show you a couple other ideas using or reusing your Sizzix die containers if you keep a hold of those like I do. So here's an idea. I cut one up and I cut the bottom and the side, and of course took all the stuff off of the top. And to me, it would be a perfect cover for like a TN, your December daily, journaling book or whatever that way. Obviously, I haven't gotten very far with it. We've been going back and forth visiting Dad. And I'll tell you here in a minute about all of that. But so my thought was, you build up your papers, build your booklet or whatever, and then put it together. And you could either, hole punch this or, punch your holes however you need to sew it up or whatever that way. I'll figure something out yet, but I just thought it would be, a neat little TN cover or whatever that way. So there's an idea, and then another idea is you just reuse it to use as like a gift packet. And you just cut your paper. I can't really give you the measurements because they're all different sizes, but you do the measuring and then you cut your paper, and I just slid it down in the back here, and then cut another piece out here, put it on the front. Of course, you can add your tag here or whatever else you want, and then just fill it with whatever you want to. I use the hot cocoa and apple cider, and then this Nutri-Grain bar just as an example because that's what I had on hand at the time. But you can make them up really cute. This was a quick thing I thought of doing to show you. So there's another idea, and then of course this is the idea that I showed you before, where I just took washi tape and then you hold your die cuts already in there. So with all of that and not being able to get down in my room as planned, but I just wanted to give you an update on Dad. He is back in the hospital. He was actually supposed to have been there. He's at our local hospital is what I should say, going through rehabilitation. The place that he had his surgery did not release him correctly. He should have went right there instead of home. He was home for maybe a day and a half or so until they got things straightened around with our local hospital to get him back in, for the rehab part of it, and to get him back, to get better is what I'm trying to say. The surgery part went well. I believe I said that in one of the last videos about it, but everything else just hasn't gone quite as planned. We were there again last evening, and his spirits are really good. He's doing well that way, and he is doing well with the rehabilitation stuff, the exercises and things like that. It's just going to be a matter of time, I think. I do know that Thursday, Mom and Dad have a meeting with the doctors and nurses and staff that way I'm assuming, to see what's going to happen from here until he's released, which I think he's going to be there at least a good 2 weeks, if not 3. I think it just depends on how well he does with everything. And then they've ran a few other tests. They had a CAT scan yesterday morning, just to make sure there wasn't any blood clots in his lungs. There was some concern there, which that went well. He doesn't have anything there. But then I think today he was going and having some more tests done on his leg. They think that possibly there might be some blood clot issue in his leg, but I haven't heard any more tonight on how that went. So, and he might not know yet. I don't know. Just kind of waiting around, and so we've been in and out with that, and then also a little update too as far as our accident. I told you that we hit a deer and all that good stuff. But praise God, we will be getting our truck back in a few weeks. The insurance company, after doing their evaluation and stuff, they are able to fix it. Of course, it was almost $10,000 worth of damage, but thank goodness we had insurance, and so we only have to come up with a few $100s compared to thousands of dollars. So we're just very grateful and thankful that no one else was involved, and that we're able to keep the truck after all, instead of having to look for another one. So anyway, I'm gonna go for now. I hope you've enjoyed this little helpful hints or tips or whatever, what you can do with your containers. And I'm gearing up to work on a project and hope to share that soon with you. And so with that, I'm going to go, and we will talk to you later. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.